along friends, big and small. Let's do yoga, one and all. Stretch and move, breathe it slow. With animal pals, let's start the show. Stand on one foot, stretch your wings wide like a wise old owl. Steady with pride, root down low, grow tall and free. Sway in the breeze just like a tree. Like a squirrel so bold, one leg back, your story's told. Arms stretched out, eyes ahead. Feel the power, no fear, no dread. Down we go with raccoon fun. Push up time, one by one. Up and down, feel your might. Build strong arms, morning to night. Is clever, sleek and bright. One paw up, reaching for light. Balance your body, stretch with grace. Smile on your clever fox face. Oh, curl like a hedgehog, nice and slow. Touch your toes and feel the flow. Take a breath, now let it go. Stretch your back from head to toe. Hop up, stretch your way like a deer in the woods at the start of day. Arms up high, breathing deep. A forest calm you'll always keep. Cross your legs like a turtle so wise. Close your eyes under sunny skies. Peaceful heart and quiet mind. In stillness joy is what you'll find. Mountain pose with namaste. Stand up tall like a mountain high. Pause to heart, reach for the sky. Take a breath, feel calm and bright. Little bodies full of light. Clap like a froggy, nice and low. Hands to heart, feel your breath flow. Take a breath, now wiggle your toes. Happy little frog in a calm pose. You did great, now take a rest. With peaceful hearts and happy chests. Breathing calm, let your smile stay. Namaste friends, you've rocked the day. Go!